Okay, so your profile, what we'll do is you'll come in here under the settings and you'll customize your profile. So your profile, I find it's actually a great way of, so we're gonna have to change. So rewind on that, it does actually show, but I think she can. So as you can see, the logo is at the top left, and you can come in here and put a hero image. What do I want? You can come in and put like one of the things that you really love. You could even put a headshot of yourself in there. I prefer other people photos, so I'm just going to come in and put this cutie pie. And here, what you can do is you can come in and edit these photography types of what you want shown. You can come in here to edit a description. And what I recommend is if you do actually have a website already, just come in and cut and paste the about section. So I'm actually going to come in and do that. So I just go to my about section of me on my website and cut and paste. But if you need help writing it, we do have a great article on writing about me. So head to the blog part of our website, picsello.com/blog, and just do a search for about me website because we have great. Alternatively, we have in the help section of the support articles how to write a description for your public profile. So do a quick search in the article, the bottom right of the page. But I'm going to go to my website now and cut and paste. I should have actually put it already in the document on my desktop. So, but that I thought. So go back to the website. So I'm just going to come in here, about me. Where is it? I'm just going to copy and paste. And then head back to settings and edit description. And you can come in here and you can customize it. Bold, italicize it. But just for the sake of this, I'm just going to do this. Okay, so this has all of my packages on there. And it also has this contact form. If you already have a website, you're not going to be using the public profile as a website or any point, you can just use this contact form and embed your lead form in your website. And that's pretty simple. Hold on. Why is it there? And let's come back to the public profile section, and it is under here, and you can embed your lead form. And so we do have a lot of the code, so you can either embed the code. It's right here. Just copy and paste. We also have a great article on how to, in fact, I'll show it, goes through a lot of the different, it's actually support.picsello.com. I wonder what support.com is. Okay, so let's just say contact form. Okay, so come in here and you'll just have all the different, how to install it on your website. And then a Show It website, Square website, lots of detail, Wix, WordPress, Pixie Set, Adobe profile, and a Smart. So if you don't see your website there, just let us know and we can help you. But we, again, also just reach out via the chat button if you need help setting up your contact form, because we can help you there. I'm going to this one. And if you want to disable your public profile, you can. If you want to enable it, you can too. If you want to come in here, and then this is the link. You can copy the link, share it on your Facebook, use it on Google profile. This is